Hi everyone, and I welcome all of you to BYJU'S Exam Prep. Guys, today in this session we are going to be talking about how exactly you need to, all the detail, how you need to fill up your SLAT 2022 exams form, and all the details regarding this application. I will really help you and actually walk you through to understand what this exam, how this exam is important, and also you will try to understand how exactly this works, right? Hi Vishal, hi Vatanpreet, hi Tanya Kumari, hi everyone. All right, so let's start the session today. Guys, all of you know, all of you who are 2023 aspirants, we have started with a comprehensive preparation course, the foundation module for CLAT 2023. You can enroll for the same. Apart from that, we have an express course for MHCET, ALET, SLAT, BLAT, JMI, LLB 2022 for you, and some of the most experienced educators here on our platform. Now, coming back to this point, the SLAT examination is a national level examination. And as you know, it is conducted by the Symbiosis International for undergraduate courses. And it offers courses like the BA LLB course on the honors courses, the BBA LLB as well as the BA LLB. The medium of this particular class the medium of this class is going to be the medium of this examination is going to be in English. As you know, very recently the registration of this date has started. It started on the 25th of January 2022, and the registration is going to close on 24th April 2022. The admit card is going to be live on the 29th of April 2022, and the exam date is going to be there on 14th May. Now, these are some of the most important dates which you need to have an understanding of. Now, guys, I'll tell you something, and I'm going to be make it very similar to you, very simple to you to understand. The symbiosis, the SLAT exam is going to let you enter into some of the symbiosis law schools, whether it is the Pune one, whether it is the Noida one, the Hyderabad one. And the minute you listen to you symbiosis, you know that this is one of the most interesting universities that you're going to find. It is one of the best universities to go to. Some of the best minds of the country has actually come out from these colleges. And personally speaking, it is a beautiful ambience to work with also. You're going to find some of the best alumni in these colleges, and some of them are going to be very helpful to you throughout your career. है ना? अच्छा भाई, तो देखो, as I told you, there are 4 colleges which are accepting the SLAT score. Symbiosis Law School Pune, the Symbiosis Law School Noida, Symbiosis Law School Hyderabad, and the Symbiosis Law School Nagpur. All the 4 colleges are going to particularly do this. Now, the SLAT selection criteria usually happens in 2 stages. The first stage is the written examination, and the second stage is the personality round and the written ability test. Let us try to understand how exactly this paper has been framed. Number one, there is a particular subject, general knowledge, which is attached to this particular topic. There are 12 number of questions and there are 12 marks with it. For the analytical reasoning portion, there are 12 questions, 12 marks. Reading comprehension, 12 questions, 12 marks. Legal reasoning and logical reasoning, 12 marks each, making it a total of 60 questions, 60 number of questions in total, and 60 marks here. Yes? All right. Apart now, the step one, you need to go on to the Symbiosis website, and you actually need to apply there. All right. So once you actually apply, you click on this step, apply now, you are going to get a form which is something like this, which is there on your screen. Turn off the autofill option to avoid incorrect information being entered. They already give you something like this written on the screen. You need to put in your date, your name, as per your applicant ID card. Make sure that you look at your class 10, class 12 certificate and mark sheet and enter that. Enter your gender, your date of birth, the category which you belong to, whether you are an SC, ST, or if you have not applied to any other institute. Remember, you are going to go into an open category thing. All right. So you have to write down your address and all the personal details basically that you have to write, your email address, your phone number, all of that. After that, there would be an option in which you need to select your set 2020 test. All right, whether you want to give the law test, whether you want to give the general set, whether you want to give the engineering one. Obviously, for all of us, we are going to give the SLAT examinations, the very first option. So you can select this option, yes, the SLAT law. Okay. All right. The preferred city, you can give three preference for the same. Usually, yes, yes. Usually, whichever preference city you give, they always take the test in those cities. It's in very few occasions that they would ask you to come to another city. And due to the COVID, the options have been open all the more. All right. Upload your current photograph, and it should be, as you can see the criteria over here. If there is a problem, please make sure that you go to MS Paint, right? And you can adjust, copy paste the image, and you can always change it with the help of the pixel size. That will help you in sizing your image to the correct size. Now let's talk about the syllabus. If you see the syllabus of this, as you know, the paper is divided into 5 parts of 12 questions. The first topic is the analytical reasoning topics. Now guys, these topics, if you have a look at them, and when you see them in very simple way, you're going to see that there are going to be very simple reasoning topics, very simple mensuration problems, absolutely simple geometrical problems. Look at the logical reasoning syllabus. Again, it's going to be very easy. You need to identify your pattern, the correct logical arguments, and identify all the logical rings. So it's, assertion, reason, logical consistency, statement and assumption, statement and argument, statement and conclusion, and all this. For the English language detailed syllabus, the English language comprises of three essential portions, which are grammar, vocabulary, as well as reading comprehension. As you know, it's simple. The portion is simple. They want to test your proficiency in English on the basis of comprehension of passages and grammar. Then you have legal reasoning. There are three types of reasoning, or three types of question which you're going to get over here. Legal reasoning, legal knowledge, assertion, and reasoning. Now, if you understand these topics, these are the legal reasoning topics that you're going to find. Constitution, the law of torts, the law of contracts, the law of crimes, family law, international law, intellectual IPR, important judgments, legal maxims, legal terms. It is open in the first thing. फी स्ट्रक्चर पे रुक जाओ. देखो भाई, एक बात बताओ, आप लोग लाइन पे आप लोग ऑनलाइन आते हो. आपको अभी मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला ना कि हम ये पूरे टॉपिक को कंप्लीट करेंगे, अच्छे से करेंगे. लेकिन आप लोगों के क्या है, क्वेश्चंस क्या है, मैम फी स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, बता दो कब खुला हुआ है, आर ऑल गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस, व्हाट क्वेश्चंस आर दिस. वेरी सिंपल, थोड़ा देर रुक जाओ, आपको सारी चीजें बता दी जाएंगी. प्रिया अष्टुकर, यू हैव ज्वाइन लेट, व्हाई डिड यू ज्वाइन अर्ली. डेट का पूरा के पूरा स्लाइड मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम पे दिखा दिया है कि कब से कब तक खुला हुआ है, कि जनवरी से लेके आपके अप्रैल तक खुला हुआ है, मई में एग्जामिनेशन है, सारा इंफॉर्मेशन वहां दिया हुआ है. बट आप टाइम पे ज्वाइन नहीं करोगे, एंड देन यू विल एक्सपेक्ट कि आप सब कुछ छोड़ो, आप पहले मुझे बता दो बिकॉज हम लेट आए थे, है ना. दिस इज अ वेरी बैड थिंग टू डू. हाँ, ऑलराइट. अब जीके जो है, इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, एज यू नो, करंट अफेयर्स एंड स्टैटिक जीके. तो भाई आप जब करंट अफेयर्स की तरफ जाते हैं, टेक्निकली एवरीथिंग अंडर द सन यू हैव टू नो, राइट. बट येस, दे आर यूजुअली डन इन अ वेरी प्रॉपर मैनर. And all of you are students of online classroom programs. Most of you are there within the classes. Most of you take a free classes, and also you know कि भाई almost हम लोग सारे topics को अच्छे से sequence पे तरीके से cover करते हैं. Static GK topics, you have history, world, national park, art and culture, general science, economy, headquarters, wildlife sanctuary, examples. Now these are very simple ones and interesting as well. This was the entire syllabus of the SLAT. For all of you, we've already told you the dates. I'm getting you again to this very first slide. Have a look at this slide. You will get an understanding of the syllabus. You will have an understanding of the 5 main topics. Now guys, this PowerPoint you should be taking an entire screenshot of. Have a screenshot of this, and those of you who are giving CLAT, please do try to give this examination as well. Trust me, this is one of the best examinations that are there. And I was from Symbiosis as well, so I really know the beautiful culture out there. Again, this is the list of the all the important dates that you need to have. Take a screenshot. Those of you giving the examination, take a screenshot. You are going to get an option to get into this college, and it's going to be one of the most prestigious ones. With that, guys, we come to an end with the session of today. This was a short and crisp session in which I wanted all of you to know about it. Thank you everyone for being online. Please take care of yourselves, everyone. Bye bye.